For over a century, scientists believed the adult human brain was a static organ, once damaged, never repaired. The idea was simple: no new neurons, no recovery. This dogma shaped medicine, psychology, and even how we viewed aging. But what if everything we thought was wrong? What if your brain is secretly rebuilding itself every single day? This belief came from early 20th century experiments that failed to detect new neurons. Researchers assumed the brain was fixed after childhood. For decades, this idea dominated textbooks and classrooms. Even neurosurgeons operated under the assumption that lost brain cells were gone forever. But science thrives on doubt. And in the 1960s, a bold researcher named Joseph Altman quietly challenged the status quo. He found new neurons in adult rats, something no one thought possible. His work was dismissed, ridiculed, even erased from journals. Yet, he was right. The truth was just waiting to be seen. It wasn't until the 1990s that modern technology finally caught up. Scientists used radioactive carbon dating and special dyes to trace new cell births. They found something astonishing. Adult brains were making fresh neurons, especially in the hippocampus, the memory center. The old rules were shattered. Today, we know that neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons, happens in adults. It's not just possible, it's essential. Your brain isn't a machine. It's a living, breathing, constantly evolving organ. And the best part? You can influence it. Your habits, your thoughts, even your mood shape this miracle. The real epicenter of adult neurogenesis is the hippocampus, deep inside your brain, shaped like a seahorse. This tiny region controls memory, learning, and emotional regulation. And here's the shocker. It's one of the few places where new neurons are born every day. But it's not just about memory. New neurons in the hippocampus help you adapt, recover from trauma, and learn new skills. They're like mental reset buttons. When you're stressed or anxious, this area shrinks. But when you grow new neurons, it rebuilds itself, like a forest regrowing after a fire. Another surprising sight? The olfactory bulb, the brain's smell center. Yes, you're constantly growing new neurons to detect scents. This makes sense evolutionarily. Smell is tied to survival, memory, and emotion. New neurons keep your nose sharp, even as you age. And here's a wild fact. Even in the cortex, the thinking part of your brain, some neurogenesis occurs, though much more slowly. It's not like the hippocampus, but it's there. This means your ability to think, reason, and create might be fueled by new brain cells you never knew existed. So where does it all start? In tiny niches, special microenvironments packed with support cells and nutrients. These are like nurseries for newborn neurons. Without them, no new brain cells. But with the right conditions, your brain can literally grow a new generation of thinkers. Exercise is the most powerful brain booster we know. Just 30 minutes of running or walking a day increases blood flow and releases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein is like fertilizer for neurons. It tells your brain, grow, adapt, survive. Sleep is equally crucial. During deep sleep, your brain clears toxins and consolidates memories, but it also activates neurogenesis. Poor sleep? That's like turning off the lights in a construction site. No new neurons get built. And then there's learning. Studying a new language, playing an instrument, even solving puzzles. These activities spark new neural connections. They don't just train your brain, they build it. Every challenge you face is a blueprint for new cells. Diet matters too. Omega-3s, antioxidants, and flavonoids in berries, dark chocolate, and green tea protect existing neurons and fuel new ones. Your brain is a gourmet organ. It thrives on quality fuel. Even stress and loneliness can shut down neurogenesis. Chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, which kills new neurons. But kindness, connection, and joy, they're like sunshine. They make your brain grow faster and stronger. Here's the catch: neurogenesis isn't unlimited. It slows with age, especially after 50. But that doesn't mean it stops. Even in old age, your brain keeps making new neurons, just more slowly. It's like a garden, slower growth, but still alive. And not all neurons survive. Of every 100 new cells born, only about 20 make it long-term. The rest die. This is natural. Your brain is a selective editor. It keeps only the strongest, most useful connections. Also, neurogenesis doesn't fix everything. It can't regenerate neurons after a major stroke or severe brain injury, but it does help with recovery, mood disorders, and cognitive decline. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a powerful tool. And here's a wild twist. Some researchers believe neurogenesis might be linked to creativity and insight. When you have a eureka moment, it might not just be a thought. It could be a new neuron firing for the first time. So yes, your brain has limits, but it's also incredibly resilient. The fact that it can grow new cells at all, after decades of being thought fixed, is one of the most revolutionary discoveries in modern science. Want to grow more neurons? Start small. Walk 20 minutes a day, just that. It boosts BDNF and increases blood flow to the hippocampus. Do it consistently, and you'll literally build a better brain. Try learning something hard. Pick up an instrument, study a language, or master a new skill. The more challenging, the better. Your brain responds to difficulty like a muscle. It grows stronger under pressure. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours. Avoid screens before bed. Let your brain detox and rebuild. That's when the real magic happens. Neurogenesis is most active during deep sleep. Eat like a brain warrior. Load up on omega-3s, berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts. These foods protect and fuel your neurons. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. It needs premium fuel. Finally, reduce stress. Practice mindfulness, meditate, or spend time in nature. High cortisol kills new neurons. But calm, it's a superpower for brain growth. Your mind is not just thinking, it's healing. Scientists are now exploring ways to boost neurogenesis for Alzheimer's, depression, and PTSD. Imagine treatments that don't just manage symptoms, but rebuild damaged brain tissue. This isn't science fiction. It's happening. Some researchers are even testing drugs that stimulate neurogenesis. Others are using brain stimulation techniques like transcranial magnetic stimulation. The goal? Help people recover faster from brain injuries. And what about artificial intelligence? Could AI one day map every neuron in your brain and help grow new ones? The line between biology and technology is blurring fast. But the most powerful tool remains you. Your choices, your habits, your mindset. Every time you learn, move, or feel joy, you're growing new neurons. You're not just surviving, you're evolving. So the next time you feel stuck, stressed, or stuck in a rut, remember, your brain is still changing. It's not too late. You're not broken. You're building something new right now every single day.